Now, in the previous part, I just been showing some guys like how to answer IELTS speaking section 1. So in order to make the IELTS speaking section 1 quite fitted, you guys are supposed to answer the question relevantly and confidently and creatively. Now, I'll be focusing on creatively. How can we come up with the answer so easily for any kind of IELTS topic? Well, for instance, they're asking you guys, one of my students actually encountered a shocking question about 2 years ago in the IELTS interview. The question is about, wow, what's the meaning of bird? And so shocked was she that she complained to me, Lena, I have no idea to talk about the bird. So today I'm going to be showing you how to answer the meaning of bird. Now, when you're looking at the topic, hearing the topic, what's the meaning of bird? You shouldn't care much about the vocabulary related to the bird. You can look at the issue from different perspectives. For instance, like I will be dividing my answers into about 2 main periods, that is the past and the present, right? Now, in the past, you guys see, while people often looking at the birds, right, as a ways to connect people, you could see it would thanks to the pigeons that carry the ladder from this place to another place, right? And that's how people were connected, even in the battlefield, while the bird overcame the difficulties and sent the ladder to people, and that's how about the bird in the past. And at the present now, right? Wow, people in Vietnam even regard the birds as a specialty, very hot dish enjoyed by people. You can see the restaurant, they are grilling the bird. They turn the bird into a very special food, and that's how people are thinking about the bird in the modern life. Well, maybe you start from another viewpoint, that the culture point. Now, different cultures hold different ideas about the bird. In some developed countries, right, they see the bird as a symbol of peace and freedom, and that's why they worship the bird. Now, in some other cultures, they view the bird as a saint and the god, and they cherish the bird as a person protecting the life, right? In developing cultures, right, however, right, it depends on the kinds of birds. Some bird actually, really represent something sacred, while like the monk often just free the bird to show the freedom, right? But in the city like Hanoi, however, they kind of like consider the bird and choose the meat to eat. So different cultures, different countries, so different belief toward the bird. And that's how you guys developing the ideas, right? Another way I'm suggesting here that currently you guys studying environment, right, at school. So from the viewpoint of being environmentalist, right, you be seeing the bird in a different way. For instance, like, now, I want to preserve the environment, I want to conserve the culture, the nature, and that's why I don't like the bird. People, killing the bird for the food, and currently, I'm raising a campaign to raise people awareness of protecting the bird. Hopefully, by the end of this year, while my research, my campaign gain a wonderful result in the preservation of the birds, which are very crucial, species to the survival of our ecology. So these are the ways for you guys to start and to end your speaking. Now, never care much about what kinds of vocabulary you guys utilizing in the bird topic. You just see the bird from the past to present. You see the bird from being environmentalist, or you see the bird from the different cultures, and like practice, your creative way of answering IELTS speaking section 1. Hopefully, you guys get a good result. Thank you for listening.